There we go. Hi, little Nikki. You tired? You're so cute. You tired? It's time to go to sleep now. Oh. No, yum yum. It's time to go to sleep now. You already had yum yum. How cute you are. Yeah. Yum yum. Oh, you got raspberries on your beak. Show your raspberry beak. No? Okay, I see a little bit of raspberry. Look at the size of these feet. Ooh, what's that? It is a little bit of raspberry. You got new feathers coming in? Uh-huh. It's time to go sleepies? You tired? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Hello. Yeah, this is the sounds. These are little baby sucky baby sounds, right? I'm not hungry. I'm just tired and want some lovies. Oh, there's a fly. You see it? I see it too. Can you get it? Yeah. You want lovies, don't you? You look so small in the video. You look like a teeny tiny. Yeah, that's teeny tiny. Let's put a water bottle next to you for comparison. Oopsie. You gotta watch yourself, buddy. This is him flat too. So if he was standing up and his head was up, he's double 2 water bottles. 2 water bottles now. Yeah. Look at the raspberry off your beak. Oh, it's stained. We have to wash it. Okay, ready to go sleepies now? Okay, you're gonna fall? You go that way. There you go. Okay, it's time to go to bed. Frankie's in an outdoor cage during the day and then inside the greenhouse at night. Right? Say thanks for watching. You say thanks for watching. What is it? It's a mosquito. Chucky boy. Oh, Chucky baby.